Let us continue our discussion about system of linear equations. Okay, when we say system of linear equations, that is a set of linear equations with the same variables. Again, a system of linear equations is a set of linear equations with the same variables. Okay, I gave you an example of a system of linear equations. Okay, so in that system of linear equations, we have two equations. Then I ask you to graph those two equations. Then notice that one equation is composed of an infinitely many number of solutions as well as the second equation. Then I ask you the question, what solution or solutions that is or are common to both of these equations? And that process of determining that solution or solutions that is or are common to those two equations is what we call solving systems of linear equations. Okay. As you solve systems of linear equations, okay, you will encounter three possibilities. Three possibilities of systems. Okay, so these three possibilities, which are the three types, are classified according to the number of solutions the system of linear equations has. Okay, let us have the first type. Okay, in this first type, okay, notice that we have two lines here that do not intersect. So, which are the parallel lines? Okay, notice, since they do not intersect, they do not have any point in common, or there is no one point in common. So, if there is no one point, meaning that there is no solution that is common to these 2 points. That is common to these two lines. Okay? And that system with no solution is what we call inconsistent system. Okay, again, inconsistent system. When you say inconsistent system, that is a system of linear equations with no solution. Then, let us have the second type. Okay, this second type, notice that the two lines intersect at one point. See, if they intersect at one point, meaning to say that these 2 points have one solution in common. Have only one solution in common. So, if the system has only one solution, then that system is what we call consistent system. Again, consistent system. Okay? So, a consistent system is a system with only one solution. Then, let us now proceed with the third type. So, in our third type of the system of linear equations, notice that the two lines, okay, the red line and the yellow line are coinciding with each other. So, that's the reason why they are called coinciding lines. So, what does it imply in relation to the number of solutions existed in this system? So it means to say that the solution of one line is also the solution of the other line, and so on and so forth. So you will come up with an infinitely many number of solutions which are common to these two lines. So meaning that they share, okay, the common solutions, the infinitely number of solutions. If that's the case, okay, since that system is composed of infinitely many solutions, then we call this system a dependent system. Again, dependent system. When you say dependent system, that is a system of linear equations with an infinitely many number of solutions. Okay, so let us go back, or let us recall. Okay, so we have three types of the system of linear equations. And these three types are classified according to the number of solutions. Okay, there is the first type in which the system has no solution. That is what we call inconsistent system. Okay, the second type is a system with only one solution. Then that is what we call consistent system. And the third type and the last type of system is that a system with an infinite number of solutions. And that system is what we call dependent system.